Install Castle TV on PC. I'm going to tell you how to install Castle TV on your PC. Since Castle is originally an Android app, it's not available on Windows or Mac OS by default. To run it, you'll need an Android emulator like BlueStacks, LD Player, or Nox. First, download and install your emulator of choice. Once it's running, open the browser inside the emulator and search for Castle TV APK from a trusted site. Download the APK, then drag and drop it into the emulator to install. After that, you can launch Castle TV just like how you would on an Android phone. You'll now be able to stream movies, TV shows, and live channels directly from your PC. It works exactly the same as on mobile, with features like search, subtitles, and HD playback, just on a bigger screen. No official PC version exists yet, so this is the best workaround.